Now we will see how to create a simple graph, of the log returns of the company stock price. So we'll go for a simple line plot as a beginning. That is good, so let me use the title first. Let us call it descriptive visualization. Descriptive visualization. Actually, there are many kinds of exciting visualizations, but we will start with a very simple one. So the descriptive visualization, in this visualization, what we are going to do, we are going to use the ggplot to create the line plot of the log returns. Okay, so create the line plot of the log returns. To do that, what we ask the ggplot, okay, ggplot to use the GPLR data frame, okay, GPLR data set. So this GPLR data frame is used, is initialized with this function, okay, and then what we do, we use the function AES, aesthetics. Okay, so under aesthetics we will be able to mention what will be placed in X and what will be placed in Y. Okay, so in x-axis, let us map the date column. Okay, then date will be placed on the horizontal axis, that means the x-axis, and then again let us map the log read column in the y-axis. So this part is done. Not only that, we also have several other things. So we have to decide about the line. So for that purpose, we have to use geom underscore line. Okay, so it will help us to use the right line. So what is the color of the line? We can choose the color of the line. Let us choose blue. Okay, we have to use a quotation here, BLUE. Okay, so the color of the line will be blue. Not only that, we will also use the labels in the chart. So what are the labels? The labels are title will be something like log returns of GP over time. Okay, that can be the title, comma. Then what is the label of x-axis? X-axis label will be date. We have to use quotation, date, and then the y-axis label has to be the log returns. Okay, then what else we will do? We will use different, we can actually choose different theme. So you can use any theme from here. We are going to use a minimal theme. Okay, you can of course use any other theme. So now if we run this chunk of code, what happens? It will create a nice, beautiful, simple chart of the log returns of GP over time. You can see this is the chart. You may observe that we have a straight line during January 2024 and so on. So what is the reason? We can observe the GPLR data and see what actually happened. You can see during the starting from the November 23 until this February 24, the price was actually the same. The reason is in Bangladesh, a floor price was executed, so the price could not go down this level. And when the market thought that the price can be, when actually the authority, Securities and Exchange Commission, has lifted it, or when the price has started to change in February, then the graph also shows that. Okay. So this is how we can develop a simple visualization of the financial time series or stock market return data. The way we can again export this image as an image format. You can also save it as PDF, and we can also copy it to clipboard to place in any report. So if we just click here, the PDF will be generated. If we click here, the image will be saved, and it may ask you where to save and all these things. These are the standard things, And if you click here, you can copy to clipboard and then directly paste in a word processing software.